Welcome to Technocastel's review of the leading compressed air dusters available today. These essential tools are designed to help you maintain the cleanliness and functionality of your electronics. In this review, we will delve into the features, advantages, disadvantages, and overall suitability of each model, enabling you to make an informed decision that best meets your cleaning needs. The Office Depot Cleaning Duster is recognized for its effectiveness in reaching and removing dust from hard-to-access areas. It features a bitterant to discourage misuse and is designed to be lightweight for effortless handling. However, the extension tube can easily become detached during use, and it is recommended for adult use only due to potential safety risks. FRESMOL's electric air duster distinguishes itself with adjustable airflow settings and an eco-friendly design, capable of generating speeds up to 100,000 RPM for various cleaning tasks. While it can be somewhat noisy at high settings, its fast charging capability and reusable nature make it an excellent option for environmentally conscious consumers. The iDuster Compressed Air Duster delivers a compact and portable cleaning solution, emphasizing safe and non-abrasive methods. It effectively reaches and eliminates dust in difficult areas. However, its small canister size may limit prolonged use, and users might notice that the canister feels very cold during extended operation. Another model from FRESMOL, this compressed air duster delivers high power with adjustable speeds and includes multiple attachments for enhanced versatility. Although it comes with a higher initial price and tends to be noisier, its rechargeable feature combined with LED lights for visibility in low-light areas adds significant utility and makes it an eco-friendly choice. The Fulgen Compressed Air Duster offers versatility with 3 speed modes and features LED lights for better visibility in low-lit areas. Its fast USB-C charging provides added convenience, although it may be too bulky for tighter spaces, and the noise level could potentially be a minor drawback during operation. The Inavra Air Duster Cleaner is effective in removing dust and features a removable straw for precision cleaning. It is ozone-safe and user-friendly, however, some users may experience issues with the straw and nozzle detaching during use. Additionally, the canister's limited volume might be a drawback for those needing extended cleaning sessions. In conclusion, each of these compressed air dusters has unique strengths tailored to various preferences and needs. Whether you prioritize eco-friendliness, portability, or power and versatility, there's a suitable option for everyone. For a detailed review and links to purchase, visit our website at technocastel.com and check out the link in the video description to find the perfect air duster for keeping your electronics dust-free.